A home theater soundbar at a marquee-worthy price point sounds too good to be true, but the LG SN6Y Sound Bar does just that. This budget-friendly soundbar will bring powerful audio straight into your home. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm there as @DevinHoward. Now let's roll out the red carpet and line up the paparazzi because your living room is turning into a freaking movie premiere thanks to the LG SN6Y Soundbar. The LG SN6Y Soundbar gives you lifelike high-resolution audio that makes it sound like your movie is happening in real time right in front of you. You'll truly feel like you're watching as Rose selfishly hogs the door while the Titanic plunges underwater and Jack freezes to death in the middle of the ocean. There was definitely enough room on that door. I'm still not over it. Anyway, I digress. The simple, clean design of this soundbar will fit right into your media center. It can work in smaller spaces too, shout out to apartment living. It won't take up a bunch of room, but it will still give you powerful, beautiful, cinematic audio. So let's do this, you guys. It is time to unbox this. Okay, let's take this out. Okay. All right. We have the first piece out. Here we have the remote. Now they provide you with some brackets as well as all the cables and cords you'll need to set this up. I don't want to unwrap all of these because, as you guys know, I will lose it, so I'm going to keep these all together. Let's continue on with the unboxing. Here we have the simple manual. This is the wall bracket installation guide. This is an optical cable. Whew. All right. And this is the subwoofer. All right, so that's everything that comes in the box. Now let's dive into the details. Looks-wise, this soundbar will fit seamlessly into your space. It's relatively small in size, but it still delivers high-quality sound. You get a soundbar and subwoofer delivering dimensional virtual surround sound with 3.1 channels and DTS Virtual X. DTS Virtual X lets you pick up on every detail in the sound and gives you immersive, multi-dimensional audio. You'll be totally enveloped with virtual height and virtual surround channels, and the enhanced bass is rich and rumbly, while dialogue stays crisp and clear. The LG SN6Y Soundbar provides a lifelike listening experience. The high-resolution audio sounds like the real thing. You'll get higher sampling rates and bit depth, which provides sound quality that surpasses CDs. The 24-bit 96 kHz audio resolution is stunning and crystal clear, and the 5.1 channel surround sound expansion makes it feel like your movie is happening for real all around you. If you're looking for a full cinematic audio experience, you can wirelessly pair with additional surround sound speakers. The choice is yours. With AI Sound Pro, your music and movies are adjusted based on what you're watching, and that happens automatically. So if you're watching sports or a dramatic movie, the AI Sound Pro uses adaptive sound control to adjust audio levels, highlighting the treble or bass based on what you're watching. The LG SN6Y 3.1 channel high-res audio soundbar makes cinematic sound super simple. Pairing is effortless, and Bluetooth technology, optical, and HDMI are combined for the best sound sound quality possible with easy connectivity. If you haven't been to the movies in ages and you're craving that theater experience, the LG SN6Y Sound Bar will give that to you right from your own home. If you're ready to buy one for yourself, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell, and do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. In the comments, let me know what movies or games you'd play with your LG SN6Y Sound Bar. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye everyone!